Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 22 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 14. My dear student, today's topic's name exercise 4.3. From exercise 4.3 we shall solve question number 12, 15, 17 and 18 as your CW, and question number 13, 16 and 19 will be your SW. Dear student, open your math book, page number 69. My dear student, I have already written the question on the board, so please follow the board here. Here exercise 4.3. So we want to resolve into factors of the following expression. That means some expression are given, we want to convert it into factors. So at first we solve question number 12. So first of all we write 12 a square minus 2ab plus b square minus p square. My dear student, notice a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So notice a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from these three expressions we easily write a minus b whole square. So here we write a minus b whole square. Okay. Next, minus p square. So we write p square. Dear student, notice a minus b whole square minus p square. Notice a minus b, if we consider a minus b equal to a and p equal to b, so a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here a minus b is here a is a minus b, so a minus b plus p and a minus b minus p. Okay, this is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. I repeat, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus p square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square minus this p square. Here you notice a minus b whole square and p square. Here a minus b means a and p means b. So a square minus b square's formula. Now we apply a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So a means a minus b, so write a minus b plus b. B means p, so write here p into a minus b minus b, right? Okay, so 12 number question is done. Next we shall solve question number 15. Okay, question number 15 is 2a cube plus 16b cube. Dear student, at first we notice any number is common from both number or not. So here 2a cube, here 16b cube. So we can notice 2 is common from both expression. So we know common means divide both expression by that number which is common. So here 2, that means we divide 2a cube by 2 and we get a cube. Okay, this plus sign is here. After that we divide this 16b cube by 2 and we get 8b cube. I hope you have understood. Now dear student, notice 2 common and a cube plus 8b cube is the expression. Okay, so 2. Here can we write a whole cube? Yes, we can write, and this can be written as 2b whole cube. We notice that 2 is the cubic root of 8 and b is the cubic root of b. So 2b whole cube means 8b cube. Okay, so in order to get formula we write this expression into this expression. So here you notice a cube plus b cube formula. Okay, so what is the formula of a cube plus b cube when we used to find out the factor? then the formula will be a plus b, that means a plus 2b. Done. Okay, next a square, a whole square minus 2ab, sorry, ab, here a is a and b is 2b, plus b square, b means 2b whole square. Now 2 into a plus 2b, now we do calculation, a square minus 2ab, so write 2ab, and here we write 4b square. I hope you have understood, dear student. This is the answer of this expression. That means if we resolve this expression into factors, then we get 2 into a plus 2b into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. Okay. So as our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay, my dear student, this is the solution of question number 50. Next we shall solve question number 17. Okay. Here we write the question first. A square minus 2ab plus 2b minus 1. Dear student, notice a square minus 2ab plus 2b minus 1. Okay. So if we want to write this as a formula, that means a square minus 2ab plus b square, but here b square is absent, but we need to write b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we want to get formula, then b square is needed, but b square is not in the given expression, so we do minus b square. So if we cut b square and minus b square, then we get the above expression, and this plus 2b and minus 1 is written here. I hope you have understood. Okay, now a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. Okay, and here we take minus as common, that means we get b square minus 2b plus 1. So we write a minus b whole square and b whole square minus 2b into 1 plus 1 whole square. That means if we do 1 square, then we get 1, 2 into b into 1 means 2b, and b square means b square. So from this we can easily write a formula which is b minus 1 whole square. Dear student, here a minus b whole square and here b minus 1 whole square. So if we consider this is a and this is b, so a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So from we can write a minus b plus b minus 1. Okay, next a minus b and this minus, as minus sign is given, so the sign of the sign inside the bracket of each expression is changed. Plus b, it will be minus b. Minus minus plus 1. I hope you have understood. I repeat, this minus and this plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Okay, here you notice, dear student, this is plus b, this is minus b, so both are cut and left a minus 1. And here you notice a minus b, as both sign are same, so we do addition, that means b, the 2b, as both are minus, so we write a minus 2b plus 1, and this is the answer of this question. That means if we convert a square minus 2ab plus 2b minus 1 into factors, then we get a minus 1 into a minus 2b plus 1. I hope you have understood. Next we shall solve question number 18. Okay. Number question is x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. So, dear student, notice x square whole square. Can we write? Yes, we can write. If we multiply 2 with 2, then we get x to the power 4. Now, can we write 1 square? Yes, we can write, cos if we do a square upon, then we get 1. So in order to get formula, now we write 2 into this x square and this 1. That means x to the power 4, 2x square 1. If we multiply, then we get 2x square. So it is a formula which is a minus b whole square, and we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from this we can write x square minus 1, because we know x square is considered as a and 1 is considered as b. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a means x square and b means 1. So a minus b whole square. I hope you have understood. Now we can write from this x square minus 1 and x square minus 1. How can? Here you notice a square. A square means a into a. Just like this, x square minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 1 into x square minus 1. Here x square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1. Because we know a square minus b square. So a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So okay, dear student, similar as x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. So x plus 1 twice. So we can write x plus 1 whole square. Okay, again x minus 1, it is x minus 1 whole square. So my dear student, this is the factors of the given expression. As our solution is done, then we must write answer. Okay, so now I shall give you some problems as your SW. From this same exercise, that means exercise 4.3, you shall solve question number 13, 16 and 19 will be your SW. You must do your assigned SW in SW copy, submitted regularly in our school in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.